It's Friday and it's day 5 of the WCD, and today is the last day of talks and also the amazing social event tonight. I'm performing and emceeing the segments for the LADS countries' performances, and I think it's going to be great. So follow me on my last leg through the conference hall and then to the social event where I'll probably interview some of the performers and have a wrap-up of the day. Okay, and I'm here now with Professor Birgit Lane, who used to be the Executive Director of the Skin Research Institute of Singapore, and now she's back here for the conference. Hi Birgit, welcome back to Singapore. How are you finding the conference so far?
Oh, I think it's really good. Really, really good.
Any highlights for you during this conference?
Well, I think what's really impressive is it's gone so smoothly. It looks terrific from the outside, and the talks have been really super. I mean, the science has been very strong, very good.
Anything in particular stands out?
Well, it's such a variety.
Yeah.
There's an awful lot of sessions, so it's impossible to cover everything you want to.
And any of the social events have you been to? And
the President's Dinner. Also went to some Deborah things, some patient advocacy group meetings, which were very good. And even the early morning sessions have been very well attended.
Yes, they have.
Nice.
They have.
And a lot of new insights. Because I'm not a clinician myself, so this is a unique opportunity for me to see.
As well. Well, I think this is a great place for everyone to get together and exchange ideas.
It's wonderful, yes.
Yeah.
And people that I very rarely see, I keep bumping into here, so it's great.
It's great,
really
great.
Good. And also quite a lot from patients and patient groups.
Yes,
which
I think they did make it a point to register more patient organizations this time. Yes.
And people from far-flung places where they don't have very much resources. Interesting to hear what's the obstacles for them to do research, get involved in research. Everybody has a slightly different view on what they came here for, I think. But the mixture of people from all countries, especially so many Asian countries here, is great. And a lot of people from Europe and America too.
Yes. Okay.
I know it's an enormous meeting, of course, to get all those people. And I also want to say that because I've had contact with the National Organising Committee, I know what a huge amount of effort has gone into it. And I'm absolutely stunned by the effort that all you guys have put in and kept it going. And well done, you.
Yes, thank you. I think everyone in the NOC has worked very hard. And thank you for that. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Birgit. Okay, and now I'm here with Maria Crisciolo. Crisciolo, right?
Yeah.
She is basically the lady who runs Triumph, our professional conference organizer. Thank you so much, Maria, for all your help. And what do you think of the conference so far?
I have to say that I'm very proud. I think that the conference ran very well. Everything was smooth. But this is not my point of view. This is the point of view of all the delegates that I met, from somebody from the ILDS board, new or people that just get off from the board, and mainly also from the sponsor. We had meetings with sponsors, platinum, gold, diamond, silver. Everybody is very happy. So I think that for Professor Chan and the NOC, this has been really a great success.
Yes. I think every single person I've interviewed for the podcast has said exactly the same thing. Everyone's very happy. And it seems like you have a medal there. Is that a medal that you got for running the conference?
No, this is in any case a medal that I got from the Italian President of the Republic for my outstanding job. That is really something that represents the Italian know-how in the world. So I'm also very happy.
Well deserved. And thank you for your outstanding work.
Thank you. Thank you to you. Bye and have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, I'm here now with Dr. Suzanne Cheng, who's my friend and colleague at the National Skin Centre. She's a derm surgeon. Hi, welcome, Suzanne.
Oh, hi everyone. Hello.
And how are you finding the conference so far?
Very good. It's brilliant. So I've been to a few talks, chaired one myself.
Have you learned anything new for your practice in this conference?
So went to the chemical peels course and learned quite a few different techniques with superficial, medium, deep peels. Hopefully we can expand a little bit more on this. And contact dermatitis today, learned on occupational dermatitis, how to do patch tests with various allergens.
What's the hottest new allergen lately?
Hottest one. In the newest one, we talk about aluminium. The old ones would be like MI, parabens.
So aluminium, all your sweat products, sweat-free products.
They were talking about the aluminium disc. You know, when we do patch tests.
Oh, that can cause.
That can't because the concentration is too low. So don't have to worry when doing patch tests. That's what I mean.
Okay. So are you looking forward to the social event tonight?
Oh, yes.
Yes?
Yes, tonight. We're all getting ready.
Yeah. Okay. I'll see you tonight. Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, and now I'm here with Derek Lim, who is Associate Consultant in National Skin Centre. How are you finding the conference, Derek?
Yeah, I think it's amazing. I learned so much about other specialties that normally they're not within my area of subspecialty interest, such as pigment. I think there was an excellent pigment talk 2 days ago at the symposium. And I think I learned so much about treatment of melasma and how it's so challenging to treat, and the importance of like long wave UVA protection.
Mm-hmm. How is this going to change your practice? Is there anything that you might change in your practice for your melasma patients?
Well, I certainly know a lot better about how to counsel them about sun protection and the treatment options available, and how to cycle between hydroquinone and non-hydroquinone products to prevent side effects such as ochronosis.
And are you looking forward to anything else? I know there's only a few more hours left of the conference.
There are many interesting talks, such as I think there's one on neutrophilic dermatosis later that I'm quite excited to hear.
Okay. Thank you for your time. Okay. And now I'm here with Dr. Emma Craythorne. She is a Mohs surgeon and a derm surgeon in the UK. She was with St. John's, and she has her own TV show called Bad Skin on BBC. Is it BBC?
It's on TLC.
It's on
Discovery.
TLC.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome, Emma, to Singapore.
Thank you very
This
much.
is your first time in Singapore?
It is, and I have to say, it's the most wonderful city/country. It's just breathtaking. We're having the most amazing time, and it's just great connecting with all of our colleagues from around the world. It's wonderful.
Okay. And what has been a highlight of the conference so far for you?
I mean, I'm going to say probably the number one highlight is how well the conference has been organised. I've gone to the last 5 World Congresses of Dermatology, and this is really my favourite.
Sorry. You got me excited. I
So
dropped my
good
mic.
that you dropped the mic.
That was a mic drop.
Exactly. Mic drop. But also even the evening events that we've been going to as well. It's just a wonderful city for hosting everybody. But the actual events that I've enjoyed most of all in the day have probably been the photobiology sessions. I've thoroughly enjoyed. I've also thoroughly enjoyed the dermatology surgery sections, which I always do enjoy because that's my main specialist area. But the thing that surprised me, and I've just had the best time doing, was actually, it was in the plenary session today on rosacea and acne. And to spend a day just doing that, learning from all of the experts around the world, has been, it's wonderful.
Okay, well, welcome to Singapore, and thank you so much. Tell us a bit more about your show, about your TV show.
So I do a television show, and in the UK it's called The Bad Skin Clinic, but it goes out in about 106 countries around the world now, and it has different names in different countries. So in America it's called Save My Skin, which is probably a better name than The Bad Skin Clinic, nevertheless. And the show, the premise is we're into our 6th season, and each season has 12 episodes. So there's a lot of episodes if you haven't seen it to catch up on. But each episode has the story of 4 patients. And these 4 patients, 2 of them, we call them stories because they have a dermatological condition that's perhaps not been diagnosed, or they need help with, or the traditional kind of guideline methods have not worked. And then the other 2 are probably what gets a lot of the viewing figures initially, are what we call the gories, a lot of things like large lipomas or surgical skin cancers. So each episode's 2 stories and 2 gories.
How do you find the patients for the TV show? Is it a casting call, or are they your own patients on your list, or how's that work?
There are a few of them that actually are my patients, and obviously I know them already, so it's a slightly different premise. But maybe out of the more than 200 patients that have been on the show, that only is really 3 patients I can think of. Most of them I have never met before, and they apply because there's a casting call and they have a skin condition, and they come from all over the world. Actually, it's not just within the UK, and they will be vetted by myself. I see a photograph and it says, "Can you fix this?" And I said, well, and I just look at the photograph, I don't know much else. And then they go through a process where they check that they're psychologically okay to be on TV and that the channel likes them. And then they end up coming to see me in clinic. So when you watch the TV show, that is it happening in real life. I've never met the patient before. It could be anything at all. I have a patient who came in and I just thought it was a simple fungal disease, but it was a child who had a primary immunodeficiency disorder, and the mum also had the same disorder, so the mucocutaneous candidiasis just had not been picked up. Another patient came in with terrible hyperhidrosis and back acne, but actually had all the features with cutis verticis gyrata and actually ended up having a pituitary tumor. So these things unfold before my eyes.
That's reality TV for you.
It is really reality TV. And actually some of the procedures I've ended up doing on patients as well, because these are tricky patients and other normal stuff has been done, I end up even doing things that I haven't done, before, because this is the next step of the treatment for this patient. So it's so that's the kind of process of the whole of the journey of that patient.
Wow, okay. Well, congratulations on all your success, and I'm going to release you to enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you.
Are you going to the social event tonight?
I'm actually going to leave tonight, unfortunately.
Oh no!
But I have done 5 social nights in a row, so don't feel too sorry for me.
Okay, thank you so much, and it's great meeting you, Emma.
Thank you.
Thank you
for
so much.
asking me.
Okay, and now we're here waiting for the bus to bring us for rehearsals to Gardens by the Bay for tonight's social event. I'm here with the Filipino contingent led by Vanji. Hello, ladies. What's all your names?
I'm Angeli Garcia.
Angela Garcia.
Maria Lourdes.
I'm Rudy Celis.
Are you enjoying the conference so far?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, what about the conference? Have you enjoyed so far?
Oh, yes.
The conference is very varied. It is very inclusive,
Mhm.
and it's a new format that they brought in patients
Uh-huh.
to actually share
Yes,
their
yes.
own experiences. So this is unlike the other world congresses before. So
Okay.
it's really nice, and
Yeah.
the food is good.
The food is good. Yes, of course. And I see you have several large suitcases here, Vanji. What's going to happen? I know you wouldn't tell us last time, but you're going to give us a bit of a teaser of what's happening tonight.
We're going to change into our national dress.
Uh-huh.
As you know, probably Imelda Marcos.
Ah, yes.
We call it the terno.
No, yeah.
But one of my friends, Marubi here, will be wearing an heirloom.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And Angelina here will be singing.
I'll be hopefully I'll sing.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. Okay.
Yeah, I'll sing just like you.
Okay. We can't wait to see your performance, and anyone wants to see it, it'll be all on the WCD Instagram, I'm sure.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm backstage with Malaysia, the Malaysia contingent, who dedicated a very nice song to us, right? And of course, this is led by Dr. Agnes Hing. Hi, Agnes.
Hi, Etienne. Thanks for having us.
So how do you find this conference?
Yeah, it's amazing, Etienne. I'm so glad that we all came, and you have really done a wonderful job for bringing WCD to this part of the world, and for us to be able to showcase Southeast Asia to the whole world. It's just amazing. Congratulations, Singapore. You have done really well.
And Malaysia has quite a nice song tonight to sing, right? Right, Nazira?
We do, Etienne. So the song will be dedicated to all of you.
Uh-huh.
So hopefully you enjoy our performance. We're not going to say much because we don't spoil, spoil the surprise.
But I'm sure it's going to be a great show. Thank you so much for being part of the show.
Etienne.
And now I'm here with Professor Jorge Ocampo from Mexico, from Guadalajara.
Yes.
Congratulations on the bid for the next WCD. How are you feeling about getting
We are very excited, very happy. We have the support of a lot of countries. They are happy to be in the new world that is Guadalajara, Mexico. We have a lot of things to offer, cultural, social, and academic. We are going to have a great program. So we're very excited to receive. We are expecting more than 15,000 attendees to our World Congress.
And the next 4 years are going to be very, very difficult. So I hope you don't hesitate to reach out to our team, because we want to have you the best success also.
No, I know. I really appreciate, and we will work together.
Yes. And right now we're at the social event, and I hope you're going to have a good time. How are you finding this venue?
Oh, it's fantastic. It's a great atmosphere, and I think we're going to have a great time.
Okay, thank you, Hoy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Congratulations again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And that was day 5 of the WCD. We just had an amazing social event. Everyone loved the show that we put on, and I couldn't be proud of all the people that performed with me. Okay, and of course, big shout out to all the countries who made such a huge effort at bringing in their costumes and made it such a glittering, wonderful event. All right, there's half a day tomorrow and the closing ceremony, and I'll probably bring you through that for the very last episode of the WCD. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and use sunblock.